Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can select the details which you want to show in OC, like term and condition, bank details, how you can go ahead and fetch them in OC or add in OC. So for that, first of all, let us go to all modules. After that, click on sales and purchase. Once you will click on sales and purchase, on your right hand side you will see an option of create document. Please click on this. Now here you need to select order confirmation. After selecting the order confirmation, you need to please check. This is the OC creation page. If I will go below, here I will get an option of additional details. So here few other options are also available: extra charges, attachment, additional detail, comment, and attach signature. So in additional detail, you will get an option of logistic detail, term and condition, bank detail. So you can select or unselect it as per your requirement, and accordingly it will be get displayed on document. So click on additional detail. After that, you can select the term and condition. Here, select the term and condition. So this is some of my term and condition which are added in my settings module. Now, once I will select it, this particular term and condition will get displayed in the document. So after that, you can quickly just go ahead and add the details and save and send, and this particular term and condition will be printed on your document. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while making the selection in additional details. Have a good day ahead.